What is going on YouTube? Brad's Garage here, back with another video. And today in this box I got some very fun and cosmetic for the truck. Let me just open the box up here. And if you can't tell by this little image, got myself, it's a little windy, don't mind it. I got myself some new taillights for the truck. So let's just get this unboxed real quick and then we'll get started on putting them on. Here's the driver's side taillight and then the passenger side taillight as well. And so yeah, we're gonna get started on installing it. And let me go grab the tools real quick. Alrighty, and before I grab the tools real quick, little backstory is on this, the LED stripe looks pretty good. But unfortunately, when I first installed these, I was hitting to get the clips on too hard, and I ended up breaking off this plastic piece. I used super glue, and then obviously over time the super glue tends to melt plastic. And then on the other side here is the LED strip is slowly starting to stop working. It started from this corner, and then the other day I was looking, it was like right here. Now it's just continuing to grow. So I decided to order this similar taillights, but they have the black housing with the reflective lights instead of uh, those kinds of lights. So yeah, we're gonna get started with installing this driver's side one, or sorry, passenger side one, and yep. Alright guys, if I do remember correctly, it should be an 8mm socket. Yep. And then I just got an extension on a little 1/4 inch here. Boom, just like that. And then now they should just pull out. These clips are just a pain because you don't want to break it, but then you don't want to. There we go. And the bottom clips come out just like that. And then I did tuck the wires, so all you gotta do is just disconnect this wire here. Should just be able to wiggle and pull out. And then this top wire here, wiggle and pull out. And then it does have a little box here that I put against the back wall of it, but they obviously did not stick to the back of the bed over the time. So just take them out here. Boom, just like that, they're out. And good thing is they actually did have some dirt on the inside of the lens. So but now we're gonna get the new one in. And the newer updated ones is actually really nice. They have the boxes, not only are they smaller, but they're also bolted into the housing now, which is a lot better than what they used to be, as you can see here. I know I'm dangling it up by a hand, but it's 2 large boxes, and then now there's just 2 little things in there. So according to the paperwork, the instruction manual, so to say, the turn signals, reverse light, and then running light. So if my memory serves me correct, this is a brake light. These are the daytime running lights, and then this is reverse light, because the other one didn't have LED reverse light. It just had the things. Ignore the wind, guys. I know it's pretty windy today, but we shall endure. So hook them up, hook up the little reverse light here, just like that. And then this top one, just like that. And then this bottom one, hook up to this bottom one here, just like that. Make sure all the loose wiring gets put back inside so then you don't accidentally hit the crimp them, crimp the wires down by accidentally hitting them. And then now what we could do is fish it through the holes. Let me pull it out. Don't want to get the saran wrap stuck in there, so give that a nice little push, and then the rest of it should just line up like that. I'll take you off to the side here. And then you can see that it is on the truck now. And I'm going to peel off the wrap. And I think it looks a lot cooler. It's more popped out than the smoked light. I think maybe I could have found one with the black housing, like full black housing instead of the reflective chrome. But I like the new one. It's something different. It's a different look compared to this. So what we'll do is we'll test the lights. I'll put the blinker on first, see if the blinker works. I'll do the daytime running lights, all that jazz. Alright, so we're going to start with the blinker. See if this right blinker works. I gotta turn it. Alright, so we're going to do a blinker. See if that works. You can see right now, but I gotta walk around here. So daytime works, blinker is not. So it looks like I mixed up the two, the reverse light and the brake light. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it back off here. Yeah, we're gonna take it back off here, which won't be too hard. All you gotta do is just pull it out from top and bottom without breaking it. And yeah, these have fun going in and out. Come on, be kind to me. Now it's just the bottom one. So let me turn the blue. Alright, so I came back with a little pry tool here. I'm gonna see if I can dig it up and in there where this bottom is holding. There we go. It's just like that. Then all we gotta do to fix my little mistake here is just don't drop it first of all. Is I just gotta switch this top and bottom one up. So push that one all the way back in. Grab the other one. Push that all the way back in. And I'm actually gonna leave it dangling a little bit, just so then we could test it better without me trying to pull it on and off. So I'm gonna turn that light on, and turn the power on, and turn the blinker on. There we go. Now it's working. Those are pretty bright. And then now we just gotta make sure the reverse light works as well, which it should. All you gotta do is just throw the truck in reverse while it's off, and the light should come on. Hold the brake. Pop it into reverse here, and you can see brake light or reverse light is on. It's pretty bright. So that's how they look. I think they look pretty good. It's definitely a different look than the full blacked out look. And so yeah, I like it. I'd say money well spent here in the department of buying some new taillights. All you gotta do is push it back in. Is just find the clip housings. Push it in. Top and bottom are in. And then now we get to do the final thing, which is put the bolts back through. I'm just gonna reach it. Put them on. Oh, I was missing the hole. Nothing new. Get the top one on. Tightens. Boom, just like that, it is on. And I say I do like the look of it on the overall scheme of the truck. It definitely fixes the look and then also fixes my LED problem. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna turn it on just for you guys to see again. I think it looks pretty good compared to the old ones. I'll just turn the daytime running on for you to get the look of the daytime. Boom, nice and bright. I definitely like it. So yeah, now we'll move on to the other side and get it on. Alrighty guys, we popped on to the other side. We're just gonna do a quick time lapse of me working on it. Boom, just like that. The other one is on. And yeah, they definitely make a difference to the whole truck. They definitely pop out a lot more than it being just a straight black. But yeah, I like them. They definitely match, obviously, the sticker here. Match the chrome, which small chrome accents here and there. And then they also match the headlights. The headlights are not smoked, they just have a black housing. And so yeah, they definitely match it a lot more. So yeah, now that the headlights are done, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the post notification bells. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. I'll make sure to respond to them. And yeah, thank you for watching.